So you're having trouble with weeds, you're sick of pulling them, and you don't want to use harsh chemicals. I've got the spray for you. So, in my little bottle here, I have a mix of cleaning vinegar, salt, and dishwashing liquid. I can use it on weeds like this, and like this, and like these, and like these. But you can't use it on things like this. Now you might be wondering what exactly that does. Vinegar. Vinegar actually gets into the cell membranes of the plant and disrupts systems and causes desiccation, which basically makes the plant push all its water out of it. And salt, as we all know, dehydrates things. So it stops the plant's ability to be able to uptake water through its roots. So then you got a two-pronged attack going on. Vinegar's pushing water out, salt's stopping water coming in, and the plant starves of water and dies. Now, the dishwashing liquid, what is that going to do? It's not going to clean your plants, obviously. Dishwashing liquid helps the vinegar and salt mix together and also helps liquid disperse over the leaves and the stems evenly and allows it to absorb and soak into the plant properly, giving it time to do its thing. You might be thinking this is all just saying I'm talking away, but the proof's in the pudding. This herbicide is that effective that within a couple days, these plants are dying off. You see, also it is that effective that you can see where I've missed. And I have done a terrible job of spraying these weeds, but I was trying not to get my veggies. Now, there's a reason why I was being super careful around my veggies and trying not to hit them. Obviously because I'm using a herbicide, but because vinegar is that effective at killing things that it will kill anything it touches. So you gotta be very careful. Now, if you excuse me, I'm going to fix up all the spots I have now.